Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how we can compare two lists. We have done similar comparison when we try to compare one string with another string. Okay, so when we say we are comparing list, we are trying to match their content. If number of elements are same and they are the same elements, we can say two lists are equal. So for example, here I have one list 11 and list 12. They have 3 elements and they are same. Here I have another list, again 3 elements. I have the list 14 with 4 elements. So I am using this equality operator. I am checking whether list 11 is same as list 12. So their content will be compared. 10 is same as 10 this. So I will get true. Okay, here content is same but they are not in the same order. Okay. So first element, when I compare with this element, it will not same. So I'm getting false. Now here first 3 elements are same with this, but this has extra elements, so they are not same. So this is how we can compare our list. If the content and the number of elements are same, that means same element, same number of elements, then we can say two lists are equal. Okay. Here I have strings, so it becomes slightly different. Okay. But let's suppose I have only numbers. Here I am saying 1 and 3. Okay, so when I am comparing now, I am using less than or greater than operator. Okay, so their first elements will be compared. Here I am saying 1, like here if I go here, this basically means 1 is less than 5. It will compare its first 2 elements. Okay, now if I go here, this means 22, 5 is less than 3. So first elements will be compared. Okay, so 1 is less than 5, yes. 5 is less than 3, false. So that's why I'm getting true and false. Okay, let's suppose I make another list here and I keep their first 2 elements. First element same, and let me make it 3, 3. Now I'm trying to compare these two. Okay, let me compare list 23 is less than 24. Okay, so now I'm comparing 23 and 24. First element is same, so there will be no comparison. Then it will take the next one. 1 is less than 3. So if first elements are same, they will be ignored. Okay, so 1 is less than 3, I should get true because first 2 elements are same. I'm getting true. So this is how list comparison can be done. Here we are checking for equality. Here I am checking whether less than or greater than, okay, based on values, but values of first elements. If first element is same, then go to second. If second are also same, we go to third, like this. This is how list comparison works. Now what happens when you have any character? In that case we will use Unicode value. Okay, we have studied Unicode values. If you want to know what is a Unicode value, we use ORD function. Okay, so 97 is Unicode value of small a, 65 is of capital A. Okay, now first 2 elements are same. So when I am comparing this, basically I am comparing 97 is less than 65. This is what I am actually comparing here, because first elements are same, so second element will be compared. Now second elements are strings. Okay, like a single string or a single character, and its value is 95 and its value is 65. So 97, first one is capital A is 97. Okay, so I'm saying I should make it 31 here and 32 and then run it. So I'm getting false because 97 is not less than 5. So that's the only thing you have to keep in mind, that while comparing list, elements are compared one by one. If first elements are same, then we go to the second. In case there are any strings, we compare the Unicode value. Okay, and if I have a longer string, for example here I have a EBC, okay, or something like this, then also it will take their first character. It will not change, because now first character will be compared with the first character. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.